The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Washtenaw County in southeastern Michigan until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Ann Arbor, moving northeast at 100 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Dicksboro around 4:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Salem and Whitmore Lake around 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Hudson Mills, Pittsfield Township, Hudson Mills Metro Park, Bridgewater, Delhi Mills, Pleasant Lake and Barton Hills. Precautionary preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Washtenaw County until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.